kumaanisha hatuharibu mazingira na kazi ambazo tunazifanya. Na sisi kama watafiti wa ukulima na kama wakulima tunataka kuwa part of the plan, kwa sababu wito wa leo ni be part of the plan. Sayansi kwanza ni kutengeneza mimea ambayo inajistahimili against wadudu, against diseases ambazo zinadhoofisha mazao ya wakulima. Na kwa kufanya hivyo tunahakikisha kwamba pia tuna promote biodiversity.
Basically, personally, my research work is on microbial diversity in coconut plants, and I'm very passionate about agricultural biotechnology and how it can be used to reduce biodiversity in our ecosystems, which is currently a very challenging thing, especially with things like climate change, pollution, and invasive species getting into our various ecosystems. So basically, as a scientist, I've attended a lot of workshops in terms of like getting a lot of information about agricultural biotechnology, and the most controversial things comes in genetic engineering, whereby there is a lot of misinformation about this particular technique, and we have to organize a lot of seminars to be able to inform our youths about genetic engineering. We also have to use the various platforms, especially X and YouTube, because most of our youths are basically in these particular platforms, and we can easily reach them and be able to give them the information that is right.
Nitatoa kama tani moja kwa hiyo eka moja. Hata ni pamba haitoshi. Pamba inatakiwa ipandwe sana, hata haitoshi hapa Kenya. Sasa soko hakuna shinda.
Aya, na mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa mena taranda nĩ matanyĩte gũkorwo magĩteithĩka na makĩria kuma kaunti-inĩ ya